Here's how you can make this boss fight, the end of Sonic Frontiers boss fight in Gacha Online. Anyway, let's just get into it. Cape 168 for the purple stuff. Oh, the eyes. These eyes. No, that's wrong. This is wrong. No. Cause how much up? Oh. 6,218 for the eyes, and face AC1 is just the same thing. Oh, that's the wrong one. Ugh. Face AC 6,218 for eyes, and that's it. And for the color, pause and copy. Just keep that as black. Pause and copy. Paste it. You're done.